Hello gardening friends, welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're going to talk about a stunning and easy to grow flower that's the #1 choice for summer, the magnificent zinnia. Zinnias are known for their bright, bold colors and long-lasting blooms. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes, from single-petaled to double-petaled varieties, and can be found in almost every color of the rainbow. One of the reasons I love zinnias so much is that they are incredibly easy to grow. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, zinnias are a fantastic choice. They thrive in full sun and are heat-tolerant, making them perfect for those hot summer days. To get started, all you need are some zinnia seeds, a well-draining soil mix, and a sunny spot in your garden. You can start them indoors a few weeks before the last frost, or sow them directly in the garden after the danger of frost has passed. Plant the seeds about a 1/4 inch deep and keep the soil moist until they germinate, which usually takes about 7 to 10 days. Once the seedlings are a few inches tall, thin them out to give each plant enough space to grow about 12 to 18 inches apart. Zinnias are relatively low maintenance. They don't require much fertilizing, but you can give them a boost with a balanced fertilizer once they're established. Be sure to water them regularly, especially during dry spells, but avoid overhead watering to prevent diseases. Deadheading or removing spent flowers will encourage more blooms and keep your plants looking their best all season long. Voiceover. Not only are zinnias gorgeous in the garden, but they also make excellent cut flowers. They can last up to 2 weeks in a vase, adding a splash of color to your home. So, if you're looking for a beautiful, easy-to-grow flower that will brighten up your garden all summer long, give zinnias a try. They're a joy to grow and will reward you with an abundance of stunning blooms. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Happy gardening everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.